As you have already heard, this is the 159th income tax day. The 24th of July is the date on which income tax was first levied on the Indian population, obviously by the colonial government at that time. Tax collections have grown astronomically over the last few years. Last year we collected rupees 11.37 lakh crores, which is a little more than half of the total tax revenues of the government of India. Goa is a small state with a small population, and its contribution of rupees 1420 crores last year sounds small in the national scheme of things, but in terms of the population, the per capita payment of taxes is much higher here than in any other state of the country.